guys, Champ here, and today I'm going to show you all the Build-A-Bear friends I have. So let's get started. Hi guys. So let me go get one. La 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 la. Da da da. Let me get you. Of course, we're boyfriend and girlfriend. So this is Ricardo. Say hi. Hi. So this is my boyfriend. So you actually know that. So let me get the next bear. Let's put it back. The next one is the first bear. I don't even know him. Yes, you do. My name's. I don't know my name too. So let me put it back. And here is Captain America. He's my favorite bear. I'm gonna put it back. Gonna get another one. Yeah. Let me next. Here is Camouflage. So he's so cool. He always wears these. And here's Spider-Man. I really wanted him. He saves everyone. Next. And here's Goldie, my favorite dog. Goldie, my favorite. He's funny. He always talks like a weirdo. Yeah. Next one. White bear. Yeah. White bear. He's the best person ever. Hey, put you back. And this is Kitty. My favorite kitty. Its battery says, you turn me up. Hear me. Oh. This is Hello Kitty. So, let me put you back. And this is the last bear, Frankie. Let me put back Frankie. So, hope you guys like this video. Comment down below if you have 100 Build-A-Bears, and if you have 1,000, just comment down below. So, bye.